So what's up guys, my name is Umer. And welcome back to Crazy Family. Today in Crazy Family, I'm going to teach you how do y'all create a video with text and 3D effects with yours truly, Microsoft Videos Editor, otherwise known as the Photos app. So let's jump into the video and let's. I wanted the transition for it. So what's up guys, my name like I said in the intro, welcome back to Crazy Family. Today in Crazy Family, I'm teaching you how to do video edit. I'm not going to teach you all the main things about video editing. I'm just going to create a video. I'm going to create a video on a good video editing software. So I think I have some recordings with me and let's just jump into it. So I'll just go for the type in search bar and click. And I'm going to just click video editor. I'll just type video on the search bar and it will come like that. Video editor. If you want to see the video on the top 5 best video editors, you can watch this video. You can watch the videos right on your left top right side of your screen. Okay guys, now I have clicked create my new project. If you didn't see that part, I'll just go back and do it another one. Over here you can see create my new project. We'll be starting from scratch. I'll just call this okay. I'm gonna call it like that. Over here we can start off with a title card. Or we can just add stuff from the web. Okay, I'll just add something. I'll click add and I'll click add from this PC. And then I'll go for video. And I need and I'll click these two videos over here. I'll click this video. Oh, sorry. And guys, this video file will only work for MKV. Actually, only for MP4 file. So I'll just go for another section and take another set of videos. Okay, and I'll click this video here. Hopefully we'll recorded this properly. Okay, so after that, with a big file, it says adding files. And I'll click place a storyboard. If you didn't want to place a storyboard like that, you can. I'm an idiot. I am a total idiot. Back again, choosing my files, bula base. I'm so dumb, literally so dumb. Okay, I can drag and drop the clip like this to the storyboard. Now over here you can see a black clip which I accidentally did dumbly. I can just right click on that and click remove this clip. And over here you can see window. Also we have oh god. I think that will be very good. If you hear my mother and me having a conversation, I hate you. Okay, I'm lying. Okay, I'm gonna add a title card. Now, what is a title card? A title card is this thing right over here. If you don't know what a title card is, it's something like this. But we gotta edit it first, right? So after clicking on the title card, I'll just click it to be sure. You can go for text. I'll just go for text. And I'll click. And I'll type Crazy Family Gaming. Crazy Family Gaming. Okay, see different and kind of beautiful sort of fun style. From different sides you can see quiet, boom, gaming, etc. Cinema, bold, fresh, and many other things. Poetry, impact, cartoon, pixel, electric, and this is gonna be mine. And there are actually different layouts while you are in the text. If you want to see these are the different layouts. Layout number 1, layout number 2, layout number 3, layout number 4, layout number 5, and layout number 6. I think I'll go layout number 5 or 4 on what you said. Now let's go for background. So background actually won't actually matter when you're doing something like this. If you want, you can. When you're having electric, it will just have a different background. But if you're using a different type, you can just keep it white. These are your default background. Oh, that's good. Okay, and if I want, okay, and I'll keep it like this. If you want to customize your own color, just click on customize color and click the plus icon. If you want, you can click it like this here, and then oh, so close, so bright or so black. Okay, my color is in yellow. It looks horrible. I think I'm shouting too much in this video. Okay, let's see how our video is going right now. Yeah, this is the gaming. Quite nice, right? Yeah. Okay, Bilal. So over here, guys, I'm gonna split my recording into two. As you see, there are both two parts in our recording. One part is me and Bilal playing Roblox Icebreakers, and another block is me and Bilal playing Roblox Colorbox. It's kind of there by the Roblox Colorbox. Yeah, I know. Let's start. I'll go and click trim. I'll just go and click split footage. And over here you can see the dark one is clip 1. If you want to see what clip 1 is like, it's something like this. If you want to see clip 2, it will be something like this. Okay, I think I have to just go a little front. Okay, I think this is, okay, and oh, I think Mira's gonna. Oh, he doesn't. Hey guys, I think I remember a clip which I just got from the previous Roblox Gaming Day. Actually, I want to show you all that one. Actually, it's like a sneak peek. This one, the audio is not proper. I actually would love to show you this one. If you don't mind, I'll be showing you it right here, right now. So, video. Ah, here we go. Zoom out. If you think why am I calling it zoom or I'm a Dumbo? If you want to know why I'm a Dumbo?
Yeah, I get. I don't know.
Okay, I can again do another thing like the one which I did. We can again prove split the clip. Split the clip. Split the clip. Split the clip. Split the clip.
Yeah, baby, funny boy.
Okay, this is gonna. I'm sure this is gonna be one of the big videos. Oh God.
Okay, Bilal. Shall we join another game? Yeah, I can. Give me days of counter. Sorry, okay, I did this one.
Yeah, you're right, Will.
Okay, Nana.
Okay, no. Okay guys, that was a lie from Bilal. Totally big lie, okay? And I'm not telling you, I'm not a big baby boy just screaming out preferring pirates. Okay guys, now I have done two things which I have wanted to do. And now for the preferring pirates clip, I'm going to add some 3D effects. If you all don't know what are 3D effects, it's something like meteor showers, other thing. So for now, let's do an explosion from the back. If you want to know why I put explosion for like 80% of my stuff, I really love the sound of the explosions make. And I'm gonna put it like this. And let's just see what happens.
I'm playing, and you don't be.
Okay, let's see that again.
I'm playing.
Actually, that's
Playing.
yeah, Bilal, shush. Okay, that actually looks nice, guys. I like the 3D effects. For one thing, it gives you jump scares and surprises. That's actually one of the things which people like about my videos, if you don't know. Okay, now we have done title cards. We have done split. We have done 3D effects. Now I'll again split my clip another set.
You started.
Okay, I'm gonna again click this part and I'm gonna click speed. To speed, I can add like fast mode. Let's see what happens. I'll just put it on this clip and let's see what happens. I think. Oh no! God! Oh God! Shut up!
She caught somebody.
Oh God!
Everybody, I'm caught.
Okay, guys. So this part of the clip is actually quite boring. So I'm gonna split this part.
I'm playing. Don't get caught. Yeah.
Okay. God, this video is gonna be actually awesome. Okay, now I have done from this and not anything else. Okay, let me add some text for that video. Like text, it will come like almost the same way, but with text for a video, it will come for a video, not anything else. Don't leave the video. Okay, I can keep it like this. Actually, it looks quite nice. I will actually prefer keeping something small. I can keep it like this. Like, I'll keep it joy, and it's like don't leave the video. Don't leave the video. Okay. I know we are sounding like idiots. Okay, so we are done. 1, 2, 3. We can just do the motions part, and we are going to do the filters. Actually, I have no clue what to. Why should we do filters? It's like weird and ugly. And actually, I have some parts to trim. I don't have any parts to trim in this video. And I have actually one more thing to show. I'll be doing the motion part, and then we will be that will actually be it for the video. Okay. called Crazy Family. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Oh, that's real. Okay. Now we have done most of the features. I will be doing the rest in another video. But before I jump out of this video, I'll be just adding some background music. All this background music is copyright free. Event out. Okay guys, that's I think okay, and I can reduce the volume. Scenic in the volume will just make it weird. And it won't be nice. Okay guys. Most community called Crazy Family. Please like and subscribe. I'll be showing you all these themes and various themes in another video. So for now, thank you for watching. I will be having a sequel of this video, and I have one more thing before I leave here. If you're done, when you're done editing your video, just click finish video, and after that, go for high 180p, and then click export. Or if you want, you click more options. Nothing much comes. I'll just click export. Okay, I'll just type gaming day. Gaming day. Oh wait, I already did one. Oh no, don't forget. Oh. I don't know if the spelling is wrong. I don't actually care. I just want to end the video. Ow. Okay, guys. After this gets edited and finished, I will show you guys. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a crazy